What's up, everybody? Got something. Let's see. We're gonna open up the box. I got my Gerber cleaver. One of the reasons why I'd like to throw a shout out to Tool Boss. Wait, get that. Oh, and one reason why you guys should check him out, follow him, is because you're getting great deals when Tool Boss throws up videos. Don't forget to hit the notifications so you don't miss out. Now, I ordered these about a week ago. Well, these are already out. They came loose. But I got short sleeve with a pocket, the Milwaukee's. And I got gray, a navy, green, and a black. The short sleeves were $19.97, which there's like that in store. But with the deal, because Tool Boss put a notification out and said, hey, look, go grab these, $12.97. So all these shirts, $7 off. So I got 4 of those, and it was like $40. I'll put a breakdown, but it was like $40. Then I got the long sleeves in this box, and I got 1, 2, 3. I think they're all this. Oh shit. They're motherfuck. It's a large. They're all large as shit. These are supposed to be extra large. I'm at the workshop. That's a problem. I'll have to double check the order. But these shirts were $24.97, and then they're on sale for $16.97. So yeah, they were all, some colors were available, some weren't. I wanted to get a red one, but they were out of stock, so I got those, and I got these, and maybe I'll try one on, but yeah, I don't usually wear larges, but extra large. So yeah, you can get a lot of savings when Tool Boss throws up a video, says, hey guys, go check it out. He's always doing this, whether it's DeWalt, Makita, Ryobi, you name it. Great channel, saves money, and yeah, well, I'm gonna go ahead and open up and check them out and see what's up, check my order. But great deal, good shout out, thank you, and catch you guys on the next one.